Paint your own mushroom birdhouse. Look at guys, oh.
The mushroom birdhouse.
Nakapalit, nakagunit na po ng bata. Wide open. Matthias, Ezekiel, open the mushroom. Kita. Let me see. Wow. Ano siya guys, oh. Look. Ano siya? Here. Look at. Ano siya guys? Mushroom. You and Matthias.
Okay.
Sorry. Where's the mushroom birdhouse? Nana siya paint. Nana siya brush. Okay, go na. Paint it very nice so the bird will be happy and we will put grains here. So, dira ni mo siya isulod. Sige na, paint daw, B. You see daw? Wow. You wanna paint it like Mario? Mushroom Mario? Yellow. Go, paint it. You paint brush, Matthias? He's doing daw the thunder, lightning.
In the hole.
Dan, namalhin mi dire kay kalat kaayo sa. Ha? Muna nilang mushroom an kadimao. Mushroom. Kuan tabi. Ang mushroom na nagkagubot. Ano na? Mushroom na. Mushroom birdhouse. Let me see daw, Ezekiel. Wala ko yaw. I-mix na lang color. Imbis na ilahin color, wa na. Oh. Same pa ba na ang color? Pati sa sulod lang ikuluran. Wow, good job. Oh, color tanan. Very good. Very good. Ay, more raindrops pa. What's that white? Ezekiel? The raindrops? Yung siya ba? Ay, lines pa. Kaya eh. Mani ang artist ni mama, artist ni. Artist.
Big raindrops.
Ay, big raindrops pa. Ang natong baba, nagkapintura na. Hello. Ay.
This is the big raindrops. And down here have all the big raindrops.
Ay, ka nice.
And down in the door have bigger raindrops.
Hello. Yo, eh. Inap na na.
Oh, then what?
Done na.
Yeah.
Yeah, all done na. Iki, magput na na nato sa atong kwan.
Now, down. Now, oh, then. Another eye.
Hala, what happened na sa imong kwan? Untang makuha ning mansa-mansa. You have paint in your shirt, nak. Yaki na si dinosaur. Inap na. Is that done? Si Andan.
And then, now we need to dry it.
Dry it. Yeah, let's put it over here. Wow, ilang mushroom.
But then need more paint.
Swimming daw, me. Go see here, Chisa, Matthias, Ezekiel. Look at all. We just got these goggles. See, that's what I'm. Ezekiel, look here.
Have you ever plugged in that? Now you can shoot.
Shoot! Water ganda sila. Ah! Go put more water. Hala. Banat. Ligo dami maligo. Napun si daddy dira. Di na ko pagkita kayo nagkuan oh. Oop. Good job. Oy. The goggles is off.
There you go.
Ay, nako, nag-swimsuit si Mother oh.
Come here.
Wala ang goggles si Matias kay slag.
Now, what would you do for Graham? No.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, may kita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.